Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I'll be sharing with you how I make my Barbie fried chicken with some honey mustard sauce. This recipe is simple, quick and easy to follow. So stick around and let's start cooking. So here's my ingredients. I have about 2.5 pounds of chicken which I washed and clean, of course, with vinegar and lime juice. My flour, about 3 eggs that I've beaten. I have some spices, garlic powder, onion powder, salt, paprika, black pepper, and all-purpose seasoning. For my sauce, I'm gonna use some ketchup, some barbecue sauce, mustard, of course some sugar, and some vinegar. So I'm going to start by combining all these seasonings. So I'm going to go ahead and add to my chicken. And of course, I'm going to add the rest to my flour. I'm going to go ahead and start marinating, rubbing it all together. You know, you can always add more. If you prefer it more spicy, you can add more to it. So now that it's nicely coated, I will just cover it for like half an hour just to let it marinate. Alright? So I'm gonna start making the sauce for the chicken. So guys, as you can see, my sauce is thickening down. So I'll just set this one aside and I'll start frying my chicken pretty soon. So as you can see, everything is coated. So now I'm gonna start frying. So I already put the oil in the pot and it's already been heated. So let me start now. So we're gonna fry them for about 6 to 8 minutes on each side so it's golden brown. Alright, we don't need to cook it all the way through because I will put it in the oven to finish up. So guys, this is all done, and look at this beautiful golden brown color. So this is how you want your chicken to look. And don't worry if it's not fried all the way through because we're going to pop it in the oven to finish up. So my friends, this is how my fried chicken is looking with a beautiful golden brown color. And this is my sauce. Now I'm going to start brushing the sauce onto the chicken like this. So I've already preheated my oven to about 350 degrees. So I will pop them in for about 20 minutes. So guys, this is my final product, my barbecue chicken, Barbie fried chicken with some honey mustard. So if you like this video, let me know by giving me a thumbs up. Please subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching, and I will see you soon. Bye and take care.